p.m. on Friday night. I'm going downtown to help my buddy Jaron and his magazine 5 film some interviews on Palafox Street.
Will say to you, and I'll say to you, you have one warning for fluttering. 3 warning.
Alright, I just got done filming. Whoops. I just got done filming for Stairmaster for Heretic Films and whoops. Helping with the GoPro support. Now I'm heading home and I'm tired as fuck. Let's go ahead and pause right here and talk about the problem that I'm having and the solution. This is me doing a movie with my uncle's film company. They called me in to do GoPro support, and they went out and bought a bunch of equipment, and they said come in and set it up for us. So I did. Check this out right here. This right here is the GoPro frame with the GoPro taped above it. Like this. The reason we had to do it this way was because the setup they had was they wanted the GoPro to not only be mounted but to be fed from the HDMI out into 2 separate TVs. This guy was sitting right behind this TV. This GoPro was hooked up to an HDMI out into this TV. That was my entire job. The problem we found with the GoPro cases, check this out. The problem we found with the GoPro cases made by GoPro, that with the cutouts that come with it, you can only get USB. You can't get the USB and the HDMI out, which is what they really wanted, the HDMI out. I never noticed that before in the case, and this is the actual frame by GoPro. So that's a huge flaw, and I told them by next weekend when we're filming again that I would come up with a solution. So that's what I'm gonna do.